Welcome back. Now across the Central Caribbean this evening we have an upper level trough that's helping to generate cloudy conditions across Hispaniola. There's also some slight movement with this system. It's expected to be shifting further towards the west and should be moving closer to the Jamaica area tonight into tomorrow. So we are expecting an increase in clouds across the area. Across the Greater Caribbean we do have high pressure dominating most of the area. We do also have stable conditions, very little shower activity across the open waters of the basin. We're also seeing isolated thunderstorm activity across sections of Cuba because there is a very weak trough system that is in the far western portion of the Caribbean basin. The forecast for tonight, partly cloudy skies are across the central and eastern portions of the island, but we do have it generally fair elsewhere. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius, both Kingston and Montego Bay. Expect the northerly winds from the south coast tonight, and across the north coast we're expecting winds from the east-southeast. In the morning tomorrow, it's mostly cloudy across sections of eastern and central parishes. In the afternoon tomorrow, expect more of those showers, mainly across inland areas and also across western parishes. We're expecting temperatures to reach 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has it partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across much of the southeast tomorrow. We're expecting windy conditions as well. Expect a few showers if you're in Santa Cruz, Black River or Savannah Lamar. You can expect some isolated thunderstorms if you're in the Grill. Elsewhere, look for much of the activity across inland areas. That's isolated showers in Brownstown, also isolated showers in Grange Hill, also in Duncans in Trelawney, and we are also expecting isolated showers across K Valley in St. Anne. The next few days has isolated shower activity with isolated thunderstorms, especially on Friday. We're also expecting activity in the afternoon on Saturday. Now for the marine forecast. The winds are northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast tomorrow. We're expecting the wave heights to be between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast, winds are at 15 to 20 knots from the east-northeast. Wave heights get to 2 meters. And for offshore areas, the winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 6:14, 6:17 in Mandeville, and at 6:20 in the Grill. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Well, we thank you so much for watching.